Hi everyone! Have you ever thought of having your own website or blog? What are you waiting for? Adobe Dreamweaver CS5 is here. So what is Adobe Dreamweaver CS5? It is a fully featured commercial web editor that allows you to create, build, and manage complex websites. The editor is what you see is what you get editor, which means that you can design your web page visually, and whatever you see on the screen is what your visitors will see when they visit your website. Dreamweaver generates standard compliant code for your website, which means your website will not become broken every time a new version of web browser is released. This tutorial guides you through the steps of creating your first website using Dreamweaver. To get started, click File, then click New. You can choose your page type in this panel. We're going to create HTML because it is the easiest type. Then, in this panel, we can see the layout of each web page. If you choose already, then click Create. Creating web pages using Dreamweaver is easy. The only thing you need to do is add information that you want to show in your website. Just edit this text If you want to insert logo, double-click this page. We have two links, that's why we need to add additional web page. Then we are going to save this page. To do so, click File and click Save As. Don't forget to add .html file extension because you are going to create a website. To view your web page, click the document and click your file. This is now the example of your first website. And that's how you create a simple website using Dreamweaver CS5. Thank you for watching.